Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Yes, students, today I want to welcome you again in our second class of block 6. Before this, in previous class, we have read the story of Parnav's friend. Today we are going to start our second lesson plan of this block. And what is the topic for this class? Our topic is sound words. Sound words. And what will be the resources for today's class? Content book, notebook, workbook, a pen and a whistle. And the keywords fact, snap, crack, shoosh, shh, thumb. These are the keywords for today's class. Our agenda as usual: questioning, activity, discussion, worksheet and homework. And what will be our aim today? Our aim is to identify and describe things by the sound they make. Means what we are going to do, you will identify the things by their sounds. Means you will listen the sound and then you will identify the thing. Means which thing make this sound, which thing make which sound. You will recognize the things by their sounds. Now move to the action part. What will you do? You will listen the sound very carefully. I will give you some sounds. You will listen the sounds carefully and then you will tell me which thing sound is this. Yes, student, just now you heard some sounds. Yes, okay. Which sound did you hear when I dragged the chair? Which sound did you hear when I dragged the chair? And which sound did you hear when I switch off and on the fan? And which sound did you hear when I blow a whistle? And which sound did you hear when I drop a pen? Yes, recall it in your mind. You have heard some sounds. Yes, which kind of sounds did you hear when you heard these sounds? Yes, now look on the board. Yes, students, now look on these words. Crack, snap, crack, shusha, shh, thumb. Yes, these words you have read in the story Parnav's friend. What will we do? Today we will read the story Parnav's friend again to find out which things make these sounds and try to find other sounds also. So today we are going to read the story Parnav's friend again. Yes, students, now open page number 26 of your content book and follow the reading with me. It was Parnav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack! The ball flew into the bushes. Yes, which sound? Thwack. When did you get this sound? When the ball was hit with the bat. Yes. Now on the next page. Snap, crack, twigs broke, and leaves fell on the ground. Oh no, said Parnav, be careful, not to hurt my friends. Saket was surprised. He could see only trees and bushes in Parnav's garden. Yes, which sound did you get for the twigs? Yes, when the twig was broken, which sound word did we use here? Snap, crack. You can listen this sound in this video. Yes, listen it.
No, that wasn't very satisfying.
No, that was good.
Again?
Yeah.
Yes, right. So these are the sound words which are made by the things. Yes, now you will read the remaining part of the story and you will find out the other sound. Yes, student, now it is time for the analysis part. Now I'm going to ask some questions which are based on the activity. Okay, my first question is, when you hear a sound, can you imagine the things that make sound? When you hear a sound, can you imagine the thing that makes sound? Means जब आपने sound सुनी थी तब आपने उनको guess किया था उन चीजों को, कौन सी चीजों से sound आ रही है? Yes, right. What we hear help us see the things in our mind. Means which things we are hearing help us to see the things in our mind. Means जब हम चीज़ों की आवाज़ को सुनते हैं then our mind started to work. उसी टाइम हमारा mind जो है वो काम करना शुरू कर देता है and then with the help of our mind we can imagine the things in our mind. Hearing and imagining things in our mind help us to understand what is happening in the story. When we are hearing the things and when we are going to start imagining the things, all these things help us to guess about the story, means what is happening in the story. हमें सुनकर और इमेजिनेशन के थ्रू हम स्टोरी के बारे में गेस कर सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द स्टोरी, स्टोरी में क्या हो रहा है. So this how hearing the sound help us a lot. Yes, students, my next question is, which sound word did I use when the ball was hit by the bat? Which sound word did I use when the ball was hit by the bat? Yes, think about it. Recall in your mind, you have read the story 2 times. Yes, right. Which sound word did I use? Right, I used ball and I used thwack for ball and bat. Yes, thwack. When the bat, when the ball was hit by the bat, I used the sound word thwack. Yes, which sound word did I use when the twigs broken? Yes, when the twig was broken. Right. Which sound word did I use? I used snap and crack for twigs. Okay. Did the trees also made any sound? Yes, did the trees also make any sound? Right. The trees make this sound. Shoo, sha, sh. These sounds were made by the things, and we have recognized the things by their sounds only. So this how sound words help us to recognize the things, to guess about the things. Trees blowing in the wind and made a sound shoo, sha, sh. Yes, and when the twig was broken, they make the sound snap and crack. And when the ball was hit by the bat, then which sound word did we use? Thwack. Yes. So these are the sound words which we have used in the story. Yes, students, my next question is, were you able to imagine the picture in your mind when you heard the sounds in the story? Means, were you able to imagine the pictures in your mind when you heard the sounds in your mind? Yes, right. We can make a picture in our mind by reading the words. We can make a picture in our mind by reading the words. What help us to say the sounds? Yes, right. We can name the sounds that different things make. Means जो भी चीजें अलग-अलग टाइप के sounds create करती हैं, we can give them a name. Through these sounds, through these names, we can recognize the things, we can imagine the things, which thing sound is this. We can use these names to say the sounds. Yes, we can use these names to say the sounds. Like when the ball was hit by the bat, which sound did we use? Thwack. So we have given that sound one name. What is the name? Thwack. Means जब हमने बॉल को हिट किया था बैट से, तो उस साउंड को हमने क्या नेम दिया है? थ्वैक. THWACK. और उस साउंड को, उस वर्ड को हम पर्टिकुलर साउंड के लिए यूज करते हैं. Yes, student, now it is time for the hordes. My question is, does everything make a sound? Does everything make a sound? क्या हर एक चीज में से आवाज आती है? हर एक चीज की अपनी साउंड होती है। ये स्टूडेंट, एवरीथिंग डजंट मेक अ साउंड, मीन्स सारी चीजों की साउंड नहीं होती है। एज व्हेन आई ड्रॉप द पेन ऑन द फ्लोर, इट मेड द साउंड, but when I will drop a cotton ball on the floor, it will make any sound? No, it will not make any sound. So I cannot give any name to its sound because there is no sound. So everything doesn't have a sound. Now let's start our application part. What will you do? You will complete S2 on page 37 in your workbook, and students, it must be completed within 15 minutes. Students, now open page number 37 of your workbook, sound words. Question number 1. Read the sound words. Draw pictures of things that make these sounds. A. Thwack. So for this word thwack, you will draw a picture here. Snap, crack, thump, bow, bow. So you will draw pictures for all these sound words. Now on question number 2. Name one more thing that makes a sound. Write the sound word. You will hear, first you will write the name of the thing, then you will write the sound word here. Now on question number 3. Name some things that don't make sounds. Yes, you will write 4 things name here which don't make sounds. Like cotton ball, you will write 3 more names here. Yes, student, now move to homework part. What will you do in your today's homework? You will draw 4 things and write the sounds that these things make. You will draw any 4 things picture and then you will write the sound word that is made by the thing only. Means आपने बैट और बॉल को ड्रॉ किया है तो आपको उसके लिए कौन सा साउंड वर्ड यूज करोगे? थ्वैक. इफ आपने सपोज करो आपने एक बेल को ड्रॉ किया है तो उसका साउंड वर्ड क्या होगा? ट्रेन. सो यू विल राइट देयर ट्रेन. सो दिस हाउ यू विल कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क. Yes, at last now it is time for the summarization part. Okay, what have we learned today, students? Yes, we have learned about the sound words. Yes, sound words, things. Which sound is made by the things? Yes, thwack. When do you listen this sound? Bat and ball. This sound is made by bat and ball. Train. This sound, it is made by bell. Knock. डोर. जब हम डोर को खटखटाते हैं, दरवाजे को खटखटाते हैं, then which sound did you get? Which sound do you get? Yes, we get knock knock sound. So today we have learned about the sound words. I hope you have enjoyed your today's class. It was an interesting class. Yes. So be ready for the next class also, and the resources for the next class will be your letter cards, content book, notebook and workbook. Be ready for your next class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.